Today we're working on a 2020 Ford Explorer, and we're going to show you guys how to install our plug and play remote kit. I have the flashlight situated on the floor. This is a very simple plug and play kit. Alright, so we have our main harness down here. I'm going to go ahead and set it aside, and then we're going to come in and you're going to see the OBD2 connector here, and we're going to go right behind it, and you guys are going to see the gateway connector right here, which has all those wires in it. So I'm just going to reach up in here, and it's this little guy right here. The tab is facing down, so push up on the tab, pull it out. So what we're going to do is take our wire harness, and we're going to take the OEM connector, and we're going to plug these two in together. Make sure it clicks in. Then we're going to have an extension like this, and you're going to plug this part right back into the gateway module up here by the brake switch, and you can just simply reach up in here, find where it goes, and if you guys need to look at it, go ahead. We do a ton of these, so I can just kind of feel it. Go ahead and put the brake switch right back up in to the mounting bracket here. Please refer to the module programming video for the most up-to-date programming procedure, and also for proper connection of the wiring harness to the module. Alright, so we have the X3L kit all finished up, and we're going to give you a quick demo here. So what you're going to do is just hit the lock button 3 times. So you're going to hit 1, 2, 3. The horn honking is a Ford thing. It's not the remote start. So if you guys walk out to your vehicle right now and hit lock 3 times, it's not going to start, but the horn will honk on the second and third push, because that's how Ford and Lincoln does it. Just a quick little tidbit, the parking lights will come on front and rear for a visual indication. The vehicle stays locked, and when you're ready to come out, just hit the unlock button. You can jump in, and then if you guys have a key, you'll just put the key in and turn it to the on position, and then pull it out of park and drive away. If you guys have a push button start, obviously it says press the start button, so just follow the steps. So hit the button once, you'll see the steering wheel move, the whole thing turns on, and now you can put it in drive or reverse. Camera pops up, and we're good to go.